Hey there, tech lovers! Welcome back to the Wisdom Headquarter. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the Samsung D-Series Crystal 4K Vivid Ultra HD Smart LED TV, one of the best-selling TVs in its category. With Crystal UHD 4K resolution, HDR support, and adaptive sound, this TV promises a premium viewing experience. But does it deliver? Let's break it down. The Samsung D-Series 4K Smart TV is packed with features that make it a serious contender in the budget 4K TV space. First up, the Crystal UHD processor display offers incredible clarity and vibrant colors, thanks to per-color technology. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing games, the 4K resolution combined with HDR makes every scene pop with detail. But the experience doesn't stop there. The D-Series Smart TV is also equipped with Q-Symphony sound, which syncs with compatible Samsung soundbars for a more immersive audio experience. Let's talk about how this TV performs in real life. According to many users on Amazon and Google, the D-Series 4K Smart TV delivers stunning picture quality that's hard to beat at this price point. Users also love the sleek design. It's ultra-thin, with minimal bezels, making it a perfect fit for any modern living room. Also, access to unlimited entertainment through the Samsung Smart TV Hub and cloud gaming makes it a great choice. So, is the Samsung D-Series Crystal 4K Vivid Ultra HD Smart LED TV UA43DUE70BKLXL the right TV for you? Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons. First, pros. 1. Stunning 4K Crystal Ultra HD resolution with HDR support for vibrant, detailed visuals. 2. Adaptive sound light for automatically optimized audio. 3. Per-color technology enhances color accuracy and vibrancy. 4. Sleek, modern design with thin bezels. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Consider following drawbacks as reported by users in their feedback. 1. Built-in sound could be improved. Consider adding a soundbar. 2. Occasional lag in the smart interface when switching apps. 3. Limited HDMI ports for multiple device connections. Overall, the Samsung Crystal Vivid 4K D-Series 2024 is a fantastic choice if you're looking to upgrade to 4K without spending a fortune. It's perfect for everyday viewing, gaming, and even hosting movie nights. If you want crystal clear visuals and smart features in a stylish package, this TV could be the one for you. Ready to make the leap? Check the link in the description to get yours today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.